Hi there, John Davis here, and in this video I will show you 3 simple lead magnet ideas for beginners, just like this one that I've made previously, this example on the screen. These are perfect for beginners because they're fast, they're easy to create, and plus your audience is going to love them. I will also show you some extra conversion hacks, so keep watching for this. I'm not sure if you're aware, but lead magnets come in many forms. You can make them for any topic and create them for such things as how-to guides, checklists, content summaries, micro courses, one-on-one coaching sessions, video tutorials, boot camps, and many more. So for this example, I've already made this lead magnet to show you how simple it is to add value to a YouTube description, for instance, or combine it with any other content such as blog posts, social posts, and I'll be covering a lot more types of lead magnets. They'll all be applicable. So whether it's a checklist, a video series, or an ebook, it doesn't matter. They're all great. By the way, as you can see here, I'm using a software called a Lead Creator, but you can use any tool you currently have. Okay, I'm going to show you the 3 simple lead magnets I've created now. An ebook creator, a micro course creator, and a checklist. So let me show you what I do here. I've created a prompt here. I've written this prompt out, okay, and then all I do is I go back into lead creator, which is the software I'm using. You can use anything, but it's so good this you can put in your prompts and create your lead magnets at a click of a button, basically. So what I normally do, so if I just choose, say, ebook creator, and then I put in my prompt which I've created previously, and then when you press create, it pops up here with a lead magnet. Now let me show you my first one. So this is the basic, what you get back for a micro course. This one is, and as you can see, it's pretty bland. It's got all the details here, and it's very good information that pops out. But you can do so much more with these lead magnets. And let me show you what I've done with another one. So it's exactly the same prompt for, say, a checklist. So if I go here to, which I created a 10-point listicle, which is the checklist, okay. So all I do then is I put in my prompt, and I word it for a checklist basically, and how it pops the same emac, which was to be this, and then I can create this, which is totally different. I can color the wording, I can revamp it, I can put in images. Again, I've colored in the subheadings, the parts of the checklist, the listicles, just to make it look much more enticing, giving it a bit of zhuzh, making it pop for the audience, okay. And you can add in more images here. Look, this is the section about branding, so I've actually put in an image regarding branding just to make it pop again. And as I scroll down, you can see the 10-point listicle here. Email marketing campaign, so I've inserted an image for that, just to make it more visually appealing. And yeah, so that's the checklist. Let me go on to the ebook now. I've done exactly the same thing, so I've changed the where it's all dark black, normally what you get in online text. This one I've created it in blue. I've centralized the wording, and I've had again some more images regarding to the topic, and created the chapters in the same color as the heading just to make it look congruent. Added another image here to give it a bit of visual pleasantry, if you like, to make it break up the reading. But like I say, the information is all very good as well. Added another image here, so you can see exactly what you can do with these lead magnets in order to entice your audience, get them to like what you're doing, and spread the information. Simple as that, basically. When you're in the lead magnets, let me go back here to the beginning. So yeah, like I say, if this is one here, which is a basic lead magnet I've created, like I say, I'm in Lead Creator. You can use any tool you've got at the moment. It's just that you get so many features here with Lead Creator. So if I was to highlight the text here and just click there and then choose red, there you go. It's instantly converted. And what I was doing before on each of the subheadings, I was creating the same thing again, just to make it congruent and look at exactly how is it's going to be throughout to make it look right. And for instance here, then if I just show you what we do here, there's my cursor there. I'll just create a space, had a forward slash, click image, and then I'll just choose anything for now, upload an image, and pop, there you go, straight into the lead magnet. Okay, simple as that. How good's that? You know, you can just knock these out in minutes. And as long as you've got the information here, um, which you can use with prompts. You can even use Chat GPT for prompts as well. But it's got the built-in one, like I say. It's got the built-in um, when you create a lead magnet. Let's just say, what shall I say here? Let me just do the ebook again. You put the prompt in there. Let me just paste the prompt in. See, simple as that. Click create. I haven't got a title, so I made it. I'll just put test. There you go, test. Click create, and after just a minute or so, it'll create the lead magnet for you, and then you can use the WYSIWYG up here, which we're all pretty au fait with being online. Font size, fonts, different fonts you can use, line heights, the normal bold, italic, and everything. Here's the color one I was using, and then it just creates a lead magnet for you to put your creative your creative talents to work, basically. So yeah, this is how simple it is. I'll just wait for a second while this pops up. But like I said, I'll come back here. That's the basic bland one you get, and then you can change it. Here's the new one which I created and changed the visuals for the checklist and the ebook. And there's the one I just created, just popped up there. And then, like I say, you can go ahead, use your creative side and change the ebook to absolute suit anything any colors, any branding, any images you like. You can just insert them in there. Okay, back on Lead Creator, I just want to go through a few extra bonuses you have basically along the side here to make your lead magnets even more desirable. For a start, email capture. So if I choose a template, that's standard at the moment. So let me show you that. Sorry, standard blurred button. Let me do that standard. Okay, there's different versions you can have. So let me do the trigger, which is we'll choose on mouse scroll, okay, and then you click the little arrow, and if I said say 25%, okay, we'll do that. Save changes. I'll show you exactly what happens there. So we go back to the test, which is the one I've just put that email capture on for, and if I publish that, okay, and then view, and then as you scroll down after 25%, the email capture form pops up, which helps you build your list. Obviously, it's so beneficial this. If I go back to Lead Creator again, then we've got expiring URL. So that is a bar that would appear at the top here. Telling you, telling the viewer, the audience, that they only have 2 days left or 15 hours left to pick up this deal, basically. So I'm just going through these quickly. I'll cover them in another video, and more intently on each one. Scarcity maker. This is the number of people that can download your ebook or your information. So you could possibly on the bottom here you could put 20 downloads, you could put 99, 15, whatever you desire, and it's a scarcity factor basically. So getting people to enter their email to grab your deal. So yeah, they're the other things in Lead Creator. So as I mentioned, these are great for the creator, these lead magnets, because you can use them to build coaching sessions, which can build your personal connections, content summaries, repurpose existing content efficiently, checklists that I've just shown you. They're quick and easy to create. They're evergreen, highly shareable, so that's a good plus. And bits and pieces like that. And for the audience as well, the coaching sessions offers personalised advice tailored to their unique needs. Checklists, they're practical and actionable, helping the users organise their task and sort of reduce overwhelm, easy to understand. And the video tutorials, which is another one you could create there, provide step-by-step guidance in an accessible sort of visual format. So you can see how good these lead magnets can be for both the creator and the audience. So yeah, like this is Lead Creator. I said before that I'm using Lead Creator, but you can use any format, any software or tool that you have currently. It's just that they've got so many options within Lead Creator. They're really it's just pushing the bar basically, raising the bar. So yeah, that's great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and could see the benefits that you can get from using this tool. I'll leave a link in the description underneath if you fancy taking a look at that and checking it out. But yeah, like I say, give it a go, have a look, see if you fancy it. And I'll be along in another video to share some more good information. Okay, all about lead magnets. Take care and I'll speak to you soon. This is John Davis saying bye for now.